Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no.
Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I want to show you how to make this shirred mini skirt. The fabric that I used was viscose fabric with no stretch, and I had 1/2 meter by 1.5 meters. Firstly, I checked how much fabric I would need. I wrapped the fabric around my waist and made sure to ensure a lot of excess fabric, as the shirring is going to shrink it. However, at the end I needed all of the fabric I had. Next, I hemmed both sides of the fabric with a rolled hem. For the shirring, I used my elastic thread and wind the thread onto the bobbin by hand, making sure to not stretch the thread at all. I then started shirring the fabric with the right side up. I backstitched and make sure to set my machine on the longest stitch setting and a high thread tension. Once I finished the first row, I also made sure to stretch the already shirred part whilst sewing the other rows. I turned the fabric and sewed downwards, turn it again and sew the next row. Then I just kept doing this for a very long time until the whole fabric is shirred. When I was finished, I finally realized I did not have enough fabric, so I repeated all of the steps with the remaining fabric. Lastly, I sewed both my shirred pieces together with a French seam. Luckily, due to the print of the fabric, you are unable to see the seams. And here is the final result. The skirt is honestly the best skirt I own, since it does not slip up, it is super comfy and cute at the same time. Watch me wearing this all summer. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe for more DIY videos.